means no memories for the rest of your nights. Hakuna Matata. Yeah. Let's just say I've had a lot of party boxes reach out to me lately. I wonder if that means something. Well, I'll tell you what, we do like to have a lot of fun here at Saving Mamacita, and today we are about to get this party started. That's right. We are about to get this party started with a brand new box to my channel. Are you guys ready? Come on, come on. Welcome back to Saving Mamacita. So glad you could join me here today. I am so excited to open this one, you guys. Thank you so much, Tipsy Pixie, for reaching out and sending me this box. I'm so excited to try this one. Go to tipsypixiebox.com and I will leave all that information down in my description area below for you to check them out for yourself as well. But I want to kind of give a quick rundown about the box. This is kind of how we roll when we do unboxings. We like to talk a little bit about the box, then we do the unboxing, then we do the rating of the box, and then we have a little fun at the end. That's just kind of how we roll. So, looking at their website, this box is a happy hour in style box from the comfort of your own home. Tipsy Pixie Box is curated to provide you with almost everything you need for the perfect at-home happy hour. So you can get a variety of things in this box, anything from cocktail or sassy themed t-shirts, matching jewelry, accessories, bar tools, glassware, drink accessories, mixers, garnishes, collectible cocktail and appetizer recipe cards, and lots of little fun extras to make your box super special. Let's go ahead and unbox Tipsy Pixie. It actually comes in this particular box. It has my little label on the side. On the top, it has their logo, and around the side, it says, "Let's get this party started," along with the website as well. So I love the colors, black and pink, hence why I had to do a little matchy-matchy here with this festive unboxing. Ooh, this is fun. Look at this. I love that. It has little cocktail glasses garnish there. And then here's what it looks like inside. Ooh, I love that pink and black combo. It's beautiful. Tipsy Pixie Box, it has the tissue paper, the sticker. It looks like there's a little envelope here tucked in there. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so fun. Okay, so I've never received a box like this yet. This really, really excites me. Let's take a look at this little part first. Bunch of little things. We've got a sticker, Tipsy Pixie for the love of happy hour. We've got a peace, love, and Tito's. Tito's is my jam. This is awesome. Next, we have a little coaster. It says, "We hope you love Tipsy Pixie. Share and tag us on social media for a chance to win a free box." Oh, thank you for supporting my small business. Look at those cute earrings. Yes, yes. Pink fabulousness right there. I love that. Then we have a little card. "This is the year I will be stronger, braver, kinder, and unstoppable. This year I will be fierce." Yes, queen. Yes, yes, yes. All of the different items that is inside the box right here. And then it has a little thing you can scan, and it gives more goodies to go with your box if you're interested in adding anything on. So looks like we have, oh my goodness, that is cute. Cute, cute, cute. I have not had these in years. Pixie sticks. You guys remember these, right? Yes, yes, love those. And then we have a little Propel raspberry lemonade, perfect for mixing your Tito's or whatever your beverage of choice is. Opening it up here. This is adorable. Freaking adorable. Look at that. Packaged beautifully. Right off the top, we have a recipe. This is called Blood Orange Cosmopolitan Sophistication with a Winter Citrus Twist. Then on the back, there's an actual food recipe. This would go very awesome with your beverage. So bacon wrapped pineapple bites. Sweet and spicy pineapple and savory bacon is a match made in heaven. And it gives all of the recipes, how to make it, all of that jazz. Yum, yum. Next we have in orange. Orange, awesome. We'll be able to use this for our garnishing or, okay. We've got ourselves some leopard print earrings. I love leopard print. These are so adorable. When it comes to jewelry, I'm pretty simple, to be honest. But if you could have a piece that gives you like that pop of pizzazz, that pop of glamour, it just makes a girl feel good. Look at these. These are little felt type drop earrings. Look at those. Those are cute. And this would go perfectly with my sweater, actually. So cute. Love these. Then we've got a leopard print scrunchie. This is very soft. Love scrunchies. Yes. Ooh, what is this? We've got some gadgets here, guys. We've got two little gadgets. We've got a stainless steel citrus squeezer. And we've got a cocktail strainer. Finally, we have a shirt. Love t-shirts, especially V-neck t-shirts. Look at this. This is great. Great. Hakuna Mavadka. Love this color. I love the leopard print there. This is super adorable. All right, so that concludes the unboxing of my very first Tipsy Pixie box. This is the January box. We're a little late on this one, but better late than never, right? All right, so let's go ahead and do a quick review and then we will give them their very first rating. We got the Hakuna Mavadka t-shirt. We got the leopard print scrunchie, very cute leopard print drop earrings, strainer, and the citrus squeezer. Love that. Blood orange. We've got some cute little earrings here. The pixie sticks, the Propel, and the stickers, as well as a coaster. All of those items for $39.99 per month. What'd you guys think? I want you to go ahead, put your thinking hats on, and let me know what you would rate this box. For those of you who are brand new, when we rate the box, we rate based on a few different factors. We rate based on a scale of 1 to 10. 1 being, don't buy that box. Or 10, yes, queen, you need to buy this box. So what are the factors? The factors include, but are not limited to, the presentation of the box. We love to see how it's packaged. We love to see how it is described via postcard, brochure, some sort of informational sheet that gives us some information about the items in the box. We also love to see the price point of the items in the box so we can compare and we can see how much we are paying for the box versus how much the items retail for. I like to see the value that I'm getting for my box, the variety of the items, and the quality of the items. So there are a lot of different things that we put into consideration to give our rating, and my rating is always my personal opinion. You might feel differently about the box or the items in the box. So let's go ahead and rate this box. Let's go ahead and rate that box. Rate that box. Box. I see you. I see you. Let me just say, this was so much fun. I loved receiving this box. This was something new, something fun, something you definitely could share with your girlfriends. Invite them over, make some cocktails, wear your fancy earrings, wear your Hakuna Vodka t-shirt. Anything goes when you are having fun with the girls. Am I right? I love the variety of the items. Definitely going to use everything in the box. So the only thing that I'm missing is the values of the items. That's it. Everything else was perfection. Love it. How am I gonna rate the box? Drum roll, please. Tipsy Pixie Box, you are gonna get a rating of a 8.5.